안녕하세요. Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about how we can say 감사합니다 or thank you in many ways. This question came to me a lot from my students like, is there any way to say 감사합니다 in different ways? So I brought 4 different spoken ways to say thank you in this video. Please keep watching. Let's start. Okay, here is the thing. In a formal way, we usually say 감사합니다, 고맙습니다. Okay, and in a polite way, 고마워요, 감사해요. In a casual way, 고마워. In other ways, we can easily put as very or much. Yeah, for example, 대단히, 정말, 너무, 진심으로. Yeah, we can say as very, but 진심으로 means truly, okay? And put 감사합니다 like that. 대단히 감사합니다, 정말 감사합니다, 너무 감사합니다, 진심으로 감사합니다. Or also, instead of saying 감사합니다, we can put 고맙습니다 right away with 대단히, 정말, or 너무, or 진심으로, right? Okay. And also, with 고마워요 or 감사해요, we can put 정말 or 너무, like very or much. 정말 고마워요, 너무 고마워요. 그리고 with casual way 고마워, we can put 완전, 정말, 너무, 진짜. These are just very, much included, okay? And also we have a kind of phrase like with 주셔서 감사합니다. For example, thank you for your consideration. 고려해 주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for coming. 와 주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for joining us. 함께 해 주셔서 감사합니다. Okay, so we can just create sentences with 주셔서 감사합니다 easily. Okay. Alright, those were the useful tips for you all. If it was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like and save this video. And also, if there is any question about this, feel free to comment below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. 네, 감사합니다. 그러면 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. Thanks for watching it. 감사합니다.